Find the real value of x that satisfies this. So immediately, when I see expressions like this, I think to factorize. It's a common trick in ENGAA or ENSA to factorize terms. So if you can see them and you can cancel out factors, it's really useful. So x squared plus 3x plus 2 is a common x plus 1 times x plus 2. And then here we have x times x plus 2. And then because we know of log rules that log of AB is log A plus log B, we can split out each of these logs and then just get rid of the log x plus 2. So we have log 3 x plus 1 equals 2 plus the log 3x term. Now here, it depends on how you want to do it. So some people might prefer to take away logs, or some people might prefer to raise something to the power. So I'll do it in either way. So let's say we raise it to the power, let's say we raise 3 to the power of each. We have 3 to the power of log 3 x plus 1. That would just be x plus 1 by definition. 3 equals 3 to the power of 2, which is 9, times 3 to the power of log 3x, which is just x. And then this gives us 9x equals x plus 1, which then rearranges to 8x equals 1. So x equals 1 over 8. Now the alternative way, which I sometimes prefer, but not always, would be to move the log 3x to the other side. So we get log 3 x plus 1 over x equals 2. Now this is saying that 3 raised to the power of 2 gives us this. So we have x plus 1 over x equals 9, which then gives us the x plus 1 equals 9x. And then solve it in a similar way to before, we get 1 over 8. So it's personal preference as to which one you choose. But however you do it, just make sure you're comfortable with just manipulation of logs and identifying log rules. A key feature here, something to always look out for in ENGAA, because in my time at Cambridge, when you do problem sheets, you do try and find ways to simplify any trick or any problem that you're doing. You want to simplify the algebra before getting quite deep into it later on. So you want to look for factors, look for ways to not having to expand, look for ways in which you don't have to expand things out. That's what they're trying to test you on these admissions tests. So if there are any questions from this, or if anything didn't make sense, please feel free to comment, but hopefully this was all clear.